Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the Vsync setting in Heartopia. Let's begin by pressing the tab button or the watch icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down and look to the settings. Here, make sure you're in the graphics tab. In the graphics tab, look right here is vertical sync. This setting logs your FPS to the refresh rate of your monitor and ensuring there is no screen tearing. So if you experience any screen tearing, simply toggle this setting on. If you don't experience any, you can keep it turned off. Note that this change will take effect after restarting the game. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.